guys, welcome back. So we're still in New Orleans, and this morning actually, we have planned to go to the World War II Museum.
Yeah, we're really excited. A couple of our friends are excited to go see it too. Usually it takes like an entire day in there because it's so big, so that you see everything. I don't think we're gonna be in there that long.
We don't have a whole day to do so, but we'll spend a large amount of time in there.
Right.
So.
And we don't have any plans for lunch yet, but I'm sorry for shaking the camera so much there, guys. But we don't have really any plans for lunch yet. So that's going to be a bit of a surprise for us and you guys. And then we've got something really awesome planned at the end of this that you guys are going to really get a kick out of. And it's something her and I have never done before. So we're pretty excited about it. So stick around for that.
All right. See you later.
See you at the World War II Museum.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we've made it into the National World War II Museum, and there's some things we can't record, which is fine due to copyright, but so far this place is really cool, and we hope you guys enjoy the view. So, see you in there. So just finished up the World War II Museum. It was awesome. One of the coolest things in there is they give you one of these little dog tag things that you go around and find your character and follow the story, and you can collect different artifacts. And then here's a clip of me doing that, as you can see. So but now we're going to Gus's Famous Fried Chicken down here near the French Market. No, the French Quarter. Sorry, not the French Market. So we'll show you how that is and let you know what we get to eat when we get out of there. We're going to be eating with some friends, so we're not going to record in there eating or anything. So we're just going to spend some time with them. But we will give a review afterwards. And then don't forget, we got that little surprise later this afternoon that is really, really awesome. So see you then. Okay, so Gus's Famous Fried Chicken was...
It's pretty good.
It was pretty darn good. Some of the best fried chicken I've ever had. Like, if you're in New Orleans, it is a must-go eat place. So, now we are at a new place. I changed my shirt and my hat just because, what are we doing?
We're going to a swamp tour.
That's right, we're going on a swamp tour. People...
Gators.
Yep, gonna see some gators.
So we're doing Cajun encounters where a bunch of celebrities have been.
And they've got some photos up there in their
gift shop.
Yes.
So Leonardo DiCaprio, Kelly Ripa, Forrest Whitaker,
Brad Pitt, Usher. Those people were all have done this before too. So we're pretty excited about it. So enjoy the clips, and we'll see you afterwards. See you guys.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Hey guys, so we made it back, and I just wanted to show you guys this backside to Cajun Encounter, just like their back dock. It's beautiful, and we'll kind of use this to sign off our video instead of a face-to-face thing, just because I wanted to show you guys how beautiful it was. We do highly recommend coming to Cajun Encounters. Our tour guide was awesome. He was great. He even had some stellar stories. He even had Ashton Kutcher on his boat, so that's pretty awesome. We also highly recommend the World War II Museum. And guys, with that, we're going to finish this off. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and the bell notification button so that you don't miss our adventures. Alright guys, bring on the next adventure. See ya.